In today's video, I am going to teach you how to link Facebook to Gmail. To begin, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Once the Facebook homepage loads, look for the option that says Create New Account and click it. This opens the sign-up form where you can create a Facebook account using your Gmail address, which is what links Facebook to Gmail for login and account recovery. In the sign-up window, start by entering your details in the highlighted fields. Type your first name and last name in the name boxes. For the contact field, enter your Gmail address carefully, since this is the email Facebook will use to verify your account and send important security alerts. Take your time here and double-check for typos, because a wrong email can prevent you from receiving the confirmation message. Next, you will choose your date of birth. Click the month drop-down and select the correct month. Then click Day and choose the day, and click Year to pick the correct year. Facebook uses your birthday for account eligibility and to help confirm your identity, so make sure it is accurate. After that, click to select your gender from the available options on the form. This helps personalize certain account settings, and you can manage many profile details later in your Facebook settings. Now move to the password field and type a strong password in the highlighted box. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. For better security, avoid using the same password you use for your Gmail account. When everything is filled out, click the button that says Get Started on Facebook. Facebook may then prompt you to confirm or re-enter key details in the highlighted fields, such as your email address and password. If you see those fields again, type the same Gmail address and the password you just created, exactly as before. Finally, review the information one last time, and when you are ready, click Submit. After submitting, Facebook will typically send a verification email to your Gmail inbox. Open that email and follow the confirmation link if prompted, since verifying your Gmail helps you secure the account and makes it easier to recover access later. And that is all there is to it.